I'm the co-founder and CTO for Chat360, and I'm here to give you a glimpse of what exactly we do at Chat360 and what we have as an offering for you and company like yours at Chat360. So just to give a quick background about us, so we founded the company in 2021, and we've been serving more than 300 plus enterprises across the globe since then. And we are backed by a $150 million group, which is in auto retailership. We are headquartered in Pune, Maharashtra, with our presence internationally as well. So we have an office in Mumbai, we have an office in Dubai, and we have an office in Bangalore as well. So this is a glimpse of the customers that we work with different use cases that we help them solve in the industry. And I'm more than happy to share the audience with a few customers that we have already. So we work with JM Finance, we work with IIFL Samasta, we work with Motilal Oswal across different use cases that we've been helping with them. So at Chat360, we have made a solution which is powered by generative AI on the backend side, which can essentially be used to reach out to your audience across different channels that can be on SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, email, Instagram, voice for that matter. And we have a no-code, low-code builder present on the backend side, which is powered by LLM engines, which are highly secure. This can be deployed on your on-prem security networks as well. The solution that we have essentially helps you acquire the customers, retain them by engaging them in case if they come back to your conversation format. And this is deeply integrated with the enterprise softwares that you have on the backend side, wherein you can fetch the information and customize and personalize the conversations as well. So this is a quick snippet of how the platform looks like. So the platform essentially can be broken down primarily into three segments. One segment is supposed to be catering to your pre-sale segment, which would start from figuring out what are the offerings that you have as an NBFC for that matter, which could start from what exactly are the loans that you are offering for that matter. Then we have the no-code, low-code builder, which helps you on the sales aspect, wherein we have automated the entire loan journey on a few of the customers that we work with. The third segment that we have is essentially the customer support desk that we have, which is deeply integrated with the voice systems on the backend side, or also any communication channels that can be on email, SMS for that matter. We can create tickets within our platform or external platforms as well via APIs, and then you get to track the SLAs around it as well. The advantage with the solution is that it is generative AI powered. It is not a rule-based flow wherein a typical chatbot would behave like. This is deeply integrated with your systems on the backend side, which fetch information and personalize the conversations as well. Right? So these are the use cases that we are working with the players in the industry. So for example, we have a customer engagement solution wherein we help with lead nurturing, campaign management, inbound visitor engagement as well. So you can shoot out the campaigns across different time zones, or you can pre-plan the entire marketing calendar for the month well in advance. Then we have the conversation commerce, wherein you can have the product discovery and recommendations basis the customer's previous selections or interests as well, right? The entire KYC verification can be done on WhatsApp or any channel of communication that the customer is conversing with you on. And then, of course, there is a customer support agent. In case if the AI is not able to answer the questions to the customer, the conversation can automatically be transferred to an agent on the backend side, and the agents on the backend side can essentially use the agent support system, agent co-pilot that we have on the backend side, which is deeply integrated with your knowledge base. That could probably be in English or whatever for that matter. But then the answers could be in different vernacular languages as well. With respect to the key integrations, we offer out-of-the-box key integrations with major enterprise solutions out there, or also native solutions. So we have a robust API solution that can be used to integrate with your external systems for personalizing the context or the conversations that are going on. Right? So this is one of the videos and the implementations that we have done with IIFL Samasta. So if you can see that there's this entire loan disbursement journey happening on WhatsApp itself. Customers can essentially enter their customer ID. We fetch the relevant information on the backend side. They can upload their documents, phone number. Right? OTP verification. PAN card verification, Aadhaar verification. We go to an extent wherein we also identify that in case if the image is a live photo or not, rather than customers uploading just a static image, right? Bank statement verification, CIBIL score detection. So the entire loan processing can happen on WhatsApp itself. There can be different journeys that can be carved out. So you can still have a common number, but then there can be different journeys for your B2B aspect as well. This is one of the use cases that we have implemented for B2C segment. And the intention over here is to showcase that the platform is robust enough in order to cater to all the use cases. Right? And at any point of time, in case if the customer drops off, there can be nudges that can be sent out from the platform automatically, which will help automate the entire sales process. So the bot also identifies in case if it is a live photo or in case if it is an uploaded photo, right? And the customizations are super easy to do. And once the loan is sanctioned, customers can also get a notification on their mobile WhatsApp notification or an SMS notification that the loan is processed at different touch points. Or they can also come back to your platform, be it on web, WhatsApp, and they can check the loan status as well. Right? I think we'll move forward. This is one of the implementations that we're doing with Cholamandalam MS, wherein the entire policy journey is happening on WhatsApp. Starting for downloading the policy. So, starting from, in fact, discovering what exactly is the policy that is suitable for them. It could also move down to downloading the policies, policy renewals, changing the policy details, raising and tracking the claims as well, and the entire complete process of KYC can be done on WhatsApp, right? So if you see in the snippets, now again, this journey can be customized totally basis whatever your requirements are. Right. So this is again one of the use cases.
Hi, thanks.
Again, so we also have voice as a offering. So let's say in case if there are a lot of customer queries that are coming in post your office hours or during holidays, we have a system in place which would essentially collect the calls that are coming in on your IVR. We process the information over there. We get the intent out of it, and then there can be a ticket that can be raised on the backend side, and you can also shoot out an acknowledgement to the customers that the issue has been recorded on the backend side, and then they can essentially fetch what exactly is the status of that particular query as well. Right. So I'm going to show you.
Hi, thank you for contacting Volvo CE customer support. Please share your issue and district.
Sure. Currently, I'm facing some issues with my engine oil. I think it is quite old and it needs to be replaced. I currently live in Pune.
Please share your registered phone number and your customer ID.
Okay, my registered phone number is 9111882178 and my registered ID is DCM823.
Thanks for reporting your issues. We will send an update to you shortly on WhatsApp.
Alright, it seems that this particular agent has captured the details and it is going to send a WhatsApp message to us. So let us go over to WhatsApp and let's see if it is going to send us a message. So let us wait for a bit. Alright, we have already received a message, right? Let's verify some of the details over here. Okay, customer ID, as I mentioned, DCM823, it has captured perfectly, right? Now something to showcase over here is the fact that even though I said my phone number in natural language, so like 9111882178, right? I didn't need to explicitly say out 9118.
Right. So this is for Volvo that we have done on production. The platform that we have is essentially something that can be used, is sector agnostic and can be used for the other use cases as well, pertaining to different customer support queries, right? So we have also been working with Motilal Oswal for different touch points and use cases and journeys. One of the use cases that we're solving for them is for HR automation as well, in ITSM automation. So when I say HR automation, so the total workforce of 15,000 employees uses Motilal HR Buddy on WhatsApp in order to download their policy state, their pay slips, apply for their leaves, check out holiday calendar, raise any grievance just in case if they have, right? So the entire payroll, leaves policy and FAQ automation can be done on the platform, right? With respect to ITSM automation, so we have incident management that can be integrated with your softwares on the backend side. IAM scenarios, service requests that are coming in, for example, password resets, machine not working, etc., can be catered from platform as well, right? So this is a quick glimpse of how Motilal Oswal is using the solution. So this is generative AI powered. They have uploaded the documents in English on the backend side, but then this is vernacular. So any customer or employee typing in Tamil, Telugu, or any Indic language for that matter, the answers would be coming in appropriate format. Right? Right. So the bigger question over here is why conversational AI, right? So the beauty of the product is that in case if the customers are coming to you on any of the communication channel that they want to converse on, they can type in the language that they want. They need not select any specific language, be it Hindi, English, or for that, whatever it is for that matter. They can just type in the query. The bot is smart enough in order to identify what language is the customer typing in, and then getting the intent out of it. And if required, it can fetch the documents or information from the backend systems via the APIs and fetch and produce to the end recipients, right? So for example, over here you can see that the customers have typed in, "Aap kya type ki loans offer karte?" So this is English, right? And the bot is smart enough in order to answer that what exactly is the language that you want the bot to be answering in as well. So there are different prompts that can be configured on the platform, and we have a dedicated team that will help you configure that. And basis the prompts, the bot are the answers are coming in from the bot as well. So then you can have different guardrails that can be put in, which will probably not be talking about your competition, and ensure that the conversation is moving in a common direction rather than hallucinating the entire conversation. The standard use case, which are FAQ query resolution, which would probably take up like 70 to 80% of your workforce, and it can easily be automated. So you can just upload an FAQ document on the backend side, or provide a website for that matter. The information can be scrapped and the FAQ automation can kick in. Queries can be taken up by the chatbot itself 24/7. And in case of any escalations, we identify that via the bot. It is using the AI, and it can be transferred to an agent on the backend side, and the notifications can be sent out appropriately as well, right? So if you see over here, the bot starts with application process, wherein customer comes in, they show that I'm interested in a personal loan. And then there's a personalized message that comes out from the customer, from the bot. Then user responds to the query basis in case if they want to understand what are the interest rates for personal loans. And the bot understands the intent automatically and switches to query handling as well, right? This is another snippet wherein there is FAQ query resolution, wherein the bot is answering all the queries dependent upon what are the eligibility criteria, what exactly is the process to proceed with the application. And in case if we want the application to be done within the bot, it can be done as well, right? So this is one of the implementations for eligibility check journey, right? This is the implementation for loan application journey, wherein any of your prospects coming on your website can put in that they want to apply for a personal loan. Subsequent questions to that, which could probably be which documents are required, can be fetched from the knowledge base that you have on the backend side. And they could also upload the documents on the bot itself, and then this can be processed and pushed to your systems as well, right? So if you see, this is just the snippet of what I was just talking about, wherein they can upload their bank statements, their Aadhaar card image, or the numbers for that matter. This is the loan snippet of loan disbursement journey, wherein in case if a user chooses for disbursement from one of the options, they could choose an option or probably type in case of whatever they want to opt from the chatbot, and then the disbursement can kick in as well, right? Then again, for post-sales aspects, you can also send out notifications that can be automated from the platform. So with respect to EMI collections or probably sending out nudges in a stipulated manner, you can configure it on the platform, and you can send out EMI collections before 14 days, 7 days, or post the due date as well, right? And the payments can be done on WhatsApp itself or any channel that you choose to opt to send out the notifications on, right? This is quick snippet of the product overview, wherein we have an AI co-pilot. So this is the live omni-channel common desk that we have that can be used by the agents on the backend side. And you did not spend a lot on agent efficiency or probably training the agents in order to ensure that there are standardized answers that are coming out. The AI and the solution is smart enough in order to identify what exactly is the answer that is supposed to be giving out to the prospects or customers, right? So the agents essentially can get to correct the grammar, to select the tonality, expand the text, summarizing the entire conversation in a single couple of lines or 3 lines, which can be pinned to the conversation over here. Or the solution can also be used to fetch and assist the agents on the backend side to answer what exactly is supposed to be going out to the query that is coming in, right? So on the left side, if you see, there are different omni-channel conversations that have happened. It could be on web, WhatsApp, Line, Viber, or SMS, email for that matter. All of the conversations are collected on the left side, and there's this omni-channel desk that is present. You also get to demarcate and segregate the conversations that are coming in basis the lead score. So basis the qualifier questions that you can configure on the chat flow, and also the AI configuration engine that we have. We help you identify what are the top queries that you should attend first, rather than attending the noise first, which will help ensure your better conversion rates. Right? These are the smart campaigns that can be sent out from the platform using the generative AI. So you just need to type in a couple of lines in case if you're launching a new product. The text can be created automatically, and then you can schedule the campaigns from the platform on SMS, WhatsApp, right? You can also capture customer sentiments basis across different channels of your customer engagement. You can see what exactly is the sentiment looking like across different channels. You get to see the feedback word cloud, what exactly is the top query that is coming out, right? What exactly is the sentiment of your customers in a particular geography or for a particular product, right? We have fantastic and out-of-the-box dashboards as well. Now, this can again be customized basis your requirements and your business use cases. What we firmly believe in is to solve a problem on the ground. So in case if there's a dashboard requirement wherein you want some other factors as well that have to be accommodated within the dashboard, we are more than happy to cater that. So this is just a glimpse of how the dashboards look like. So thank you, everyone. I think this was a quick glimpse of the platform that we have. For any other conversations, we are more than happy to help serve you and cater you at booth 15. And we're also offering a 1-month free trial for you. So you can try out the product and see what are the offerings that we have and get results out of it. Thank you, everyone.